How to install our Instagram hustling tools on your Chrome extension. When you download this file on our website or from my WhatsApp, this is a zip file. You can see it very clear that this is a zip file. So in order to make this work, we need to unzip this. We need to extract this file to normal folder like this one or this one. So what you need to do when you highlight the WhatsApp file, zip file, right click on your mouse and you're going to see all this option open with and a lot of things here. Just click extract all. Now we have to extract this to normal file. Click extract and it automatically start extracting on your computer. And when it's done extracting, it's going to look exactly like this. Normal folder, or you're going to see it like this on your own computer. So in this form, we help you install the Chrome extension. Next step is to open your Chrome browser. If you open your Chrome browser this way, you locate these three dots next to your profile picture, your Gmail profile picture. Click it. And if you scroll down, you are going to see extension. Then click manage extension. In order to install our application correctly on your extension, just click developer mode, switch it on. It's off. You are going to see it off. Developer mode. You're going to see it off. Just turn it on so that you're going to see this load unpack the here. Just click it. Now it's going to take you direct to your file manager, computer file manager. You can click download and file the exactly software you are looking for. And this is the Instagram auto follow scrappers here. Just double click it inside because we are searching for installation. Then double click installation also so that you can see Instagram web extension. This is the exactly file we are searching for. Just select it and now select folder. And automatically you can see here that we automatically add the Instagram auto follow extension on your browser. So on here, our extension tab, if you click it, you can always pin it so that it will remain here. So that it will remain on your screen here. And here is how it's going to appear. So next step now is to add your license key here so that it will start working on your extension. We give you license key and that license key is the license key you're going to press here. I'm going to press my own. Once I press my own here, it's also require email. So make sure you also add your email. And I'm going to add my email as well here. Let me get my email. You can click it back and press your email first. I'm going to press my email and I'm going to get my key back. Now I'm going to press my key. So click validate. No need of clicking this buy because it's going to tell you to buy automatically. And you can see you can now enjoy the software. When you click OK, so this is the interface of the software.